Hey everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanushri, and if you're here already, then welcome back. In this video, I want to put together a look that was simple and elegant. Because I'm not sure how many people of you will be inviting or going out due to present situation of lockdown. Okay, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Okay, I'm starting with moisturizer. Now I'm going to be using my primer from Sugar. Now I'm using foundation stick from Mkup, shade number 04. And I'm going to blend everything quickly with my beauty blender from PSC and also my foundation brush from PSC. Okay, now again I'm going to use another foundation stick from Mkup in the shade number 02. Now I'm going to be using translucent powder from Makeup Studio for little baking purpose. I'm adding a little color on my lips. So I'm using this lip paint from L'Oreal Paris. Now I'm going to be using Studio Fix from MAC in the shade number NC42 with this powder puff. Blending brush to blend out everything. Now it's time for my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil. I'm using a little bit of MAC concealer to clean up underneath the brows, and the brush that I'm using is a concealer brush. I'm using Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium from MAC. For contouring, I'm going to be using my bronzing powder again from MAC. For blush, I'm going to be using Glam blusher palette. Now I'm going to be using the spray in between because this will melt all the powders in my face and make it more like my skin. And the spray I'm using is from Sugar Cosmetic. Now it's time for eye makeup. For eye makeup I'm using Makeup Revolution's Mint Chocolate palette, and the brush I'm using is a fluffy blending brush. Okay, for eye makeup just simply place it and blend it out. Just blend it through the crease. Okay, once you feel like everything is well blended and it's look really soft, there is no harsh line, then move on to the next color. Now I'm using a fan brush. I'm taking a highlighted color to highlight my brow bone. In the very inner corner, I'm using the same color, and the brush that I'm using is a pencil brush. Now for the next step, I'm using a pencil brush and taking a dark color from that palette. Now just simply I'm placing a dot in the outer and inner corner of my eyelid. And then start softening it and joining the two corners through the crease. Now I'm using another blending brush to blend out everything. Okay, moving on to the next step. I'm not going to create any cut crease. I'm just simply cleaning up the center of the lid so that it gives a halo effect on the lid and making the lid larger. I'm going to place this eyeshadow again, just like my previous step, in the outer and inner corners, and soften it out using this same pencil brush. On the center of the lid, I'm using a shimmery color from that palette using my finger. I'm using a black kajal from Maybelline. For giving a smoky effect, I'm using a black kajal instead of eyeliner. to my waterline, and then I am going to use it to my tight line, and then I am going to smoke it out using a black eyeshadow from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. To curl the lashes, I am using a lash curler before mascara. I'm using a mascara from Maybelline. For volume and thickness, I am using a trick. You can use any powder. I'm using translucent powder from Makeup Studio. I'm placing the powder in my lashes. Now just simply apply your mascara and you can see the difference. Your natural lashes itself looks like a falsies. So let's compare both the lashes. How much volume added to my right side compared to my left side. Now let's finish the remaining look before we reveal the final look. For highlighting, I'm using a fan brush from Glam, and highlighter I'm using from MAC, shade number A16 Global Glow. For lipstick, I'm using Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha in the shade number E925B. I'm finishing up my makeup with MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus Fixing Spray. So this is the look I came up with. Nothing too glam or nothing too simple. Just natural bronzy glam look. This is one of my favorite kinds of universal look that goes with any outfit across the globe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next videos. Till then, bye bye, and yes, Eid Mubarak.